Hello, good evening all. Deepak here. Okay, unmute yourself now.
Good evening.
Good
Good
evening. Good
evening,
evening.
Arash.
Good
Good
evening, sir.
evening, Arindam.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
Frank.
sir.
Good
Everyone,
evening.
good evening. Awesome. Good evening, Jitendra. Okay, so Jitendra, please, it's a request. Yeah, we are here to be professional, so it will be good if you unmute your mic and please participate in our discussions. Yes, we are here for knowledge
Okay.
sharing. Everyone.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I hope everyone has installed Katia. Yes or no?
Yes,
Any
Yes.
sir.
issue?
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
In
No,
installation, any
sir.
issue? No?
I'm
Okay.
installing now.
Okay, Shraddha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please, if you're having any background noise, please mute. Yeah. Arindam, I think there is some background noise from your side. Yeah. Thank you. If any doubts, you can unmute and ask your questions. So let me share my screen. Can you see my Katia screen? Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So here you can see once if I share my screen, I'm not able to check your chats. Okay, whatever you are sending in Google Meet chat box, I will not able to check. So if you have any doubts, please unmute and you can ask. You can ask in
Okay.
English or Hindi. No issue. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so once you launch Katia, you will get this window. I think you will not get this window because you have not set up some shortcuts. So for now, I will close this one. I will close this one. So it's a complete blank CATIA window. So the first question regarding designing in CATIA while working with OEM like BMW, Tesla, Mercedes, Audi. So which workbench are we going to use or which workbench are we going to learn? Okay. Okay. Not in 7 days of CAD-VERCITY. Okay. I am talking about the complete professional training. So we have, I think most of you already know the part design. Let me change the color. The part design. Okay. Let me note down. Let's do it like this quickly. First one is part design. Second one is GSD. We called it as generative shape design. Okay. Third one is assembly. Yeah. Assembly design. Fourth, DMU. Space analysis. Okay. Fifth one is kin. Kin means kinematics. Yeah. In this two, part design and GSD means generative shape design means styling for you style. In this two workbench, you will find one common workbench. Anyone? Do you know which is the common workbench in both?
Warframe and surface design.
No. Okay, tell me for part design or GSD, which input you will need? Which input you will need?
Part
Sketch.
design.
Sketch.
Sketcher. Awesome. Sketch. So we have this common workbench in part design in GSD. Okay, so we will begin from sketching, then we will move to part design. Then we will do some plastic trim exercise in part design in 7 days of CAD-VERCITY. Okay. Then, sir, how we are going to learn this one? It will not be in 7 days. Okay, for now, because I think hope you can understand it is not possible to learn each and everything, every point in 7 days. Yeah. Okay, let me revise just. Assembly design means, let's say, product. We call it as product. We called it as product. Inside products, you will have number of parts. Let's say part 1, again part 2, like this. Okay. DMS space analysis. It is, we use this workbench for analysis purpose. Okay. Here you can do some comparisons. Here you can do surfacing analysis. Okay. In kinematics, I think you already know what is kinematics. Anyone?
Mechanism.
Sorry?
Joining the links between two
Awesome.
parts.
Yeah. Joints. Yeah. You'll find number of joints. Like revolve, sliding, point on curve, point on surface to run any mechanism. Suppose this is one link, this is another link. Yeah. And this is the axis of rotation. So about this axis of rotation, you want to rotate the green part like this. So here you will need one joint. So tell me, suppose this red part is not fixed. Can you rotate this green part? Yes or no?
No.
This should be fixed. The red part should be fixed. So fix is also a type of joint. So this will comes under kinematics. So starting from the, now you got the idea, yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the basic is sketching. This workbench we need to work on any project with any OEMs. Hope this is clear. Okay. Okay. Sir, how many workbench are there or how many license do we need? Go to start. Here you can see the number of workbench. In infrastructure, okay, why I'm saying in my category here you can see some basic workbench like control 1, control 2, control 3, 4, 5. Why? Because I have set up some shortcuts. So I can switch to this workbench with help of keyboard directly. I will not come here and select the workbench. So if go to infrastructure, here you can see the number of workbench. Photo studio, product data filter, real-time rendering, catalog editor, material library, product structure. In mechanical design, here again, so many workbench. Here you can see generative shape design means GSD. In this workbench, we used to work on surfacing, styling. Here you can see part design for 3D modeling. Here you can see assembly design, the third one, sketcher. Okay, go to shapes. Again, here you can see generative shape design, sketch tracer. Do you remember in yesterday's meeting or the live session, you saw one screenshot in which we have projected some sketches on the plane of a car. Remember that slide for exterior? Sheet metal. Where is the sheet metal? Can you see sheet metal design? Okay. So here you can see in digital mockup, you will find space analysis for analysis purpose and the DMU kinematics means where you can apply some joints for the motions. If you are interested in kinematics mechanisms, this is very important for you. Okay. So starting with sketching. If in your CATIA, if you launch, you have to go into mechanical design and part design over here. Click on it. Okay. So once you click on the part design, you will get this window. First option is enable hybrid design and second option is create a geometrical set. Okay. Gagan, we had discussed this point in our last session. Okay. So again, if everyone, if you have any doubts regarding means general questions, so how much time we will need to learn this, what will the job type, what will the will we get work from home, everything, we will discuss this after our technical discussions. Yeah, from today we are going to start our design day one. We will discuss about technicality and the interview topics. Okay, general question we will cover in the end. Okay, so once you click on the part design, you will get a small window. Thank you, Gagan. You will get a small window like this. Enable hybrid design. Second one is create a geometrical set. Okay. Third one is we don't need the third one. Okay. And this one, if you don't want this window, you can select over here, but you don't have to select over here for now. And for now, don't ask question. Please note it down. Sir, what is hybrid design? So we will discuss this question after 2 days. Okay. Someone of you can ask this question. So what is hybrid design? Why we are not activating this one? So we will answer this question on design day 3. So for now, as it is our first day, we will not go into so much detail. Just we will take the overview. Let's make it easy. Cut is very easy. Okay. So you have to just activate this option, create a geometrical set. That's it. Nothing else. And here you have to put DESIGN design underscore day 1 underscore. So why are you using capital letter? Yes, there is a rule. We have some rules for design. Every file should have capital letters. Okay, note it down. Every file should have capital letters with no space. Instead of space, you have to use underscore. Done. Design day 1. Okay, activate this one only. Don't activate this. First one, enable hybrid design. Please don't activate. Second, create a geometrical set. That's it. Okay. Once you click on OK, I think your window is completely blank, having this 3 plane XY, YZ, and ZX. Okay. These are some tools. I think in your case, it is something like this, completely blank. This is my tool, okay, for sketching. Okay, right corner, we call it as compass. What is this? Compass. This is very important. The complete orientation of your product, let's say instrument panel, automobile seats, the central console, the door panel, the orientation of all these parts or the assembly or product depends on this one. This is our reference. How should be the orientation of the part? Okay, we called it compass. Okay, we called this as tree. Okay, let me note it down for you so that you will remember. Tree. This is our regular practice. Okay. Okay. These are the planes. Okay. On the top bar here, you can see the top bar here on the right side, on the bottom side. These are the space for tools. From here, you can pull the tool. Tree. So what is the use of tree? Here you will find completely history. History of your design. From where you can edit. Okay. You can edit. Just a minute. It is not working on my side. Just a minute. Okay. So this is a history for your reference. The screenshot for your reference. Okay. Next. So what is the use of geometrical set and partition? So what is this? Remember, we have renamed the file while opening a new file. Design day 1. So this is the file name. The same name you will find over here beside CATIA v5. Okay. Okay. So what is your first Topic is how to set up the shortcuts. How to set up the shortcuts. Let's say I want to hide this plane. How can I hide? Right click on it, hide and show. Click on it. Again, right click on this, hide. If you want to hide from this tree, you can just right click and hide. Again, right click, show, right click, show, right click, show. Okay. So for now, what you have to do? Hide this. How to select all three? Hold the control button, select first plane, hold the control button, second plane, third plane. Right click, hide. Done. Now in part design, are you getting this tool? Point, line, plane? Yes or no? Everyone. Over here, you can see point,
Yes.
line, and plane. Everyone. Okay, let's reset all tools. How to reset? Just right click on any tool, right click on it, right click on any tool. Go down in customize. The last second, customize. Let's reset first, because once we reset your tools and my tools, the tools on my side, it will be on same position for both of us. Just a second, it will take some time. Okay, go to commands, sorry, the toolbars. Okay, third tab, toolbar. Click on restore all content first, press OK. Second click will be on restore position. OK. See, everything is reset now. All tool position, each and every tool is now reset. It is on its default position. Once you click on restore all content, restore all position, just click on OK and close. Okay. So what is
Excuse me,
this?
sir. Can will get a recording of this class?
Okay. Sure. You will get recording. Yes, Dheeraj?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what is this Innovia V5 VPM Navigator? Close it. No use. Okay. Now tell me, to draw any sketch, we will need some reference. We will need support. If you are drawing, if you are good in sketching, you will need a page and paper. Yeah, paper, blank page or a pencil. Yes, page and pencil. So likewise, I want one plane. In CATIA we use plane. So how can I get that plane? Pull this tool. Can you see this dash, horizontal dash? Hold it and pull it out like this. Hold it and pull it out. Again, hold it, pull it out. Can you see this point, line, and plane? Everyone, you got this tool? Point, line, and plane. Take this tool over here. Everyone? Yes? Yes, no, quickly, so that we can proceed quickly. You got this tool?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Click on point. Click on point. Don't change the value. Just click on point. X will be 0, Y will be 0, Z will be 0. Please mute. Uh, yes, Surya, I think. Yes, Surya.
सर एक डाउट था
Yes.
सर ये कटिया और कटिया V5 में क्या डिफरेंस है
See, it depends on version. आप गेम खेलते हो? गेम्स खेलते हो?
यस सर
कंप्यूटर
यस
गेम्स?
सर यस सर
तो उसमें फर्स्ट वर्जन गेम आता है, सेकंड वर्जन गेम आता है. क्या डिफरेंस रहता है?
उसमें सर न्यू लेवल्स एंड न्यू
Yes.
मैप एंड फीचर्स अवेलेबल रहता है
Awesome. Same over here. Okay. In older version and the new version, the difference will be some tools are upgraded. Yeah. Some tools are upgraded. Uh, Also, they are upgrading the graphics, some settings, so that you can open the heavy data easily. Okay. थोड़ा compress कर देते हो. Got it, Surya? न्यू वर्जन्स आते रहते, सॉफ्टवेयर में डेवलपमेंट्स होते रहते हैं, अपडेट्स आते रहते. गेम्स भी आप अपग्रेड करते हो एंड्रॉइड में, ये और नो अपडेट्स आते हैं गेम्स के. सूर्या,
सर अभी सबसे लेटेस्ट वर्जन कौन सा है जो कि इंडस्ट्री में यूज हो रहा है
industry we are using CATIA V5 R32 and 34. Do you have R34? No.
नो
34, no one will
मेरे
get
पास तो
34 and
इंस्टॉल
32.
तो है पर उसका वर्जन कैसे चेक कर रहा है कि कौन सा वर्जन है
Okay, for now that is not important. Yes, Surya, we will discuss on license and versions. Okay, that we will answer. Yes, Surya, it's your
Oh,
first
okay,
day,
sir.
so
Okay.
just go with
Yes, yes,
basic.
sir.
Yeah, just go with
Yes, sir.
basic. Yeah, awesome. So again, cancel. Once you get this tool, point, line, and plane, click on point. Point up will be coordinate. Don't change this dimension for now. Okay, we will change this today or tomorrow. Okay, but for today, don't change the dimension. X is 0, y is 0, z is 0. The position of point is 0, 0, 0. Just click on OK. You got the point. Now, here you can see on the bottom, you have this tool, Axis System. Everyone, can you see this tool, Axis System? Bottom side, toolbar, Axis System. Click on it. OK. Once you added one point, you have in history, here you can see this is your point. In 3D, here is your point. Cancel. See. In 3D, this is your point. If you click on this point, it is highlighting over here. Okay. So if we want to select from the history, you can select over here. If you want to select from 3D, you can select over here. Same thing. So activate the axis system, activate this tool, and origin will be this point. Select this point. In origin, click over here on the blue, no selection. Click on this, select point 2. Just click on OK. Done in doubt? Shall we proceed? Simple. It's very simple. Okay.
Can you
See.
explain
Can you show
Yes,
again?
sir.
Sorry.
1 second active system?
Oh, okay. Let's delete everything. Delete. I'm
Can you
deleting.
explain one
Yeah.
second regarding the active system?
Yeah. I'm deleting everything. Okay. We have opened one file. We have history over here. This is our compass. Okay. Your name. Sorry. Let me check your name. Ramanathan. Yes. Okay.
Ramana.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes,
So
yes.
we have to take one point. We have taken one point at 0, 0, 0. Don't change anything. Just click on OK. Okay. On the bottom side here, you can see the access system. Click on this access system. Once you activate this one, access system will ask you for the input. What we want for access system, we will need a position. With which element, with help of which element we can define the position with help of this point. Just give this point as a reference so that we can fix the location of access system. I have selected this point. Here you can see point 3, origin. Just click on OK. Got it, Ramanathan? Everyone? Those who open CATIA?
Yes.
Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Awesome. Let's
Yes, sir.
proceed.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Next step. Here you can see isometric view. Can you see isometric view? I think here we are engineers. Yes, mechanical engineers. Everyone knows, sir, what is isometric view. Click on it. This is isometric view. Once you click on isometric view, you will get this and this line, isometric with horizontal. I think everyone has done engineering graphics. This angle. Okay. So how to use the mouse? What is it? How can we use mouse efficiently? So you have to note it down. Okay. Please take your notebook and a pen. With help of your index finger, middle click. Yes, middle click, and also you have to press right click. Okay, don't release any button. Middle scroll button you have to click and right click. See, first middle click, then hold the right click. Don't release middle click, okay, while pressing or clicking, pressing the right click, okay. Then move your mouse. What is this? This is rotate. We called it as rotate. Can you see? 3D is rotating. Rotate your mouse. Everyone get yes or no? Again,
Yes, sir.
click on isometric
Yes,
view.
sir.
Click on isometric view again. Hold the middle click button. Don't release. Hold the right click button. You have to hold both clicks, middle and right, and rotate your mouse like this. Round and round and round. This is rotate. Got it, everyone? Please note it down. Okay, at least you will need 2 days for this. Only 2 days. Within 2 days, you will learn. So what is how to use mouse. At least 2 hours is sufficient. Middle click,
Sir, can you
right click.
show where is the isometric view?
Here, can you see this? Okay. Who asked the question? Dheeraj? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Those who are asking question. Okay. So your name will be over here. Okay, on the top. So I can see. Okay, Dheeraj, have you done the reset all tools? Yes or no? Right click on the toolbar, last option customize. Have you done this one? Toolbar, restore all content, restore position. Yes, Dheeraj,
No, sir. I want to do so only. I ask recording.
please do it. Please do it. That's why we have reset everything.
Okay, sir.
Please do it. Everyone, please reset all content and restore position.
Sir, from where you have opened the customize window?
Okay. Can you see the toolbar in right side or on the bottom side? Shaurya? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just right click on any toolbar.
Okay, sir.
Go to last option, last second, customize. Can you see the customize?
Yes, sir.
Bharani, please mute. Bharani, please mute. Go to customize. Got it? Shaurya?
Got it. Sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. Go to toolbar, third tab, restore content, restore position. Just click on restore content, press OK. Okay, let's do for, I'm doing for you. Okay. See, restore content, press OK. Restore position, press OK and close the window. Done. I don't want this window. I'm closing this one. Done, everyone? Shaurya, done?
Yes, sir.
Dheeraj? Okay. So you have to pull this toolbar outside because there are so many toolbars, so we don't have enough space. That's why it is going down. Okay. Now I got this tool line and plane. So we have taken point, we have taken axis system on that point. Here you can see blue box. Can you see isometric view? Quickly, quickly. Bharani, please mute.
Where,
Bharani,
sir?
please mute. Just a minute. There is some background noise. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So here is isometric view. So how to rotate? Hold the middle click, hold the right click and rotate. If you want isometric view again, click on this box. Isometric view. Done. Okay, done with mouse command 1. Second command is hold the middle button. Just right click one time and release the right click. Move your mouse front side, move your mouse back side. Okay, for this, let's do one thing. Click on isometric view.
Sir,
Yes.
my design tree is getting zoom in and zoom out, sir, by holding middle scroll button and the right click.
Okay, I got it. Can you see this line? The lines in tree? Can you see this white line?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Click on it. Click. Just click one time on that line. Now, can you try again? Is it working properly now?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Good. So, just wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Here, here you can see sketching workbench. Can you see this sketcher? Everyone, a page and pencil. Everyone, sketcher workbench. This is sketching tool. You will find over here something. Right top. Got it? Anyone candidate can you please confirm? Anyone?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is sketcher. So again, the golden rule for you. See, we have so many golden rule for design. We have to follow, we have to respect. Okay. So you will never use the first option. Never. Even though you are having 10 to 15 year of experience, no use. Don't use this tool. You have to use second one. So what is the difference? You will get answer within 7 days. Okay. Automatically you will tell me, okay, sir, this is the difference. Okay. So please keep in mind. Simple. The first one is simple sketch. Second one is position sketch. So which sketch you are going to use? Position. Only position. Only position sketch. Nothing else. So click on position sketch. Activate the tool. Okay. Now you have to select this plane. YZ plane. See. Activate the position sketch. Select YZ plane and click on OK. That's it. Don't think. Okay. Don't think. Just follow. Okay. Within 1 hour you will get idea what we are doing. Okay. Okay. You got this tool, yes or no? The profile, rectangle, circle, spline, ellipse, line. Can you see this tool on your screen? Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes.
No, sir. No, sir.
No? If no, just right click on this one. Go to customize. Let me reset for you. Toolbar. Restore content. Okay. Restore position. Okay. Done?
Sir, after this restore and it's not coming layers tool.
Not getting layers means what? Which layers?
Sir, in the right side you tell uh, before layers like layers of the.
Right click. Go to customize. Done. Are you getting shake? Customize.
Yes, yes.
In
Customize and also restore
also
the.
restore and reposition.
Yeah, completed, sir.
Close. Are you getting this one? These tools? Can you pull it out like this? Just drag it out like this. Done?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, awesome. Now here, can you see rectangle? Okay, excuse me, everyone. Please don't raise your hand. If you have any doubt, the stage is open. You can unmute and you can stop me. Uh, Again, I'm repeating who is this from K. I'm not getting your name over here. Sorry. Uh, Kamaraj. Yes. Yes. Any doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Nathan.
how to increase and decrease the size of this axis system, sir?
Okay. Awesome. Go to tools. Okay, I think in your criteria, I think this access system size is something like this, very small. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, that is what. Yes, sir, that is
Okay,
what.
okay. Go to tool option. Everyone, please follow. Go to tool option. Okay. Go to infrastructure. Can you see? Okay. In your case, I think it should be something like this, very small. Just hold the control button and scroll your mouse. Keep your mouse over here, pointer over here. Hold the control button and scroll your mouse forward. Got it? You can maximize the window. Now go to infrastructure. Done? Done?
Yes,
Yes, sir. So part infrastructure. A part infrastructure display.
Part infrastructure and display. Okay, keep it
Display.
35. There are some CGR settings. If you are facing some graphic setting, it is if your CATA is working very slow, you can change it. Okay, that's what I was checking. So you have that in infrastructure also. part infrastructure, keep it 35 now. Done. Access system display, keep it 35. Click on OK. Done. Niraj?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are in sketching. Here you can see we are in sketching workbench. How to check? Top right. Just hover your pointer. You will get one label, sketcher. Means we are in sketching workbench. You have to activate this tool rectangle for now. Rectangle. First click, second click. That's it. Done. First click, second click.
Yes, sir.
Done. Only one guy is saying yes. What about others? Watching Netflix?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Done with rectangle. Below sketcher, you will find exit workbench. Click on it. Exit workbench. Now we are again in part design. We are not in sketching now. Okay. Now try your mouse command 1. Hold the middle button. Hold the middle button. Hold the right button and rotate. Can you see? Rotate like this. Any side you can rotate. Anti-clockwise, clockwise, no issue. Click on isometric view. This one. Done? Done with the rectangle?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
you're
Yes,
not
Wajid.
using the constraint.
Sorry?
You're not using the constraint, sir. Just for sketching.
Wajid, as I mentioned, this is our first day, yes?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So first we will give some intro to CATIA. We
Okay.
will explain everyone how to use mouse efficiently. Yeah, that will be
Yeah,
our first step. Yeah.
understood.
Then in
Understood.
sketching, we will cover one by one. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So
Thank
yeah, thank you. So hold the middle button, hold the right button and rotate. So this is our command 1 with help of mouse. Second command, we have only 3 command, okay? Only 3. Second command is hold the middle button, just right click one time, move your mouse frontward, move your mouse rearward. Are you getting? Zoom in, zoom out. Don't release middle button, okay? Hold the middle button, just right click one time. Right click one time and zoom, move your mouse front and rear, front and rear. Done everyone?
Yes, sir.
you. Yeah, yes, sir.
No need of keyboard, okay? No need of keyboard. Now, just middle click and move your mouse. Just middle click, hold the middle click and move your mouse. This is pan. We call it pan. Hold your middle button and drag it. Drag, release. Drag, release. Simple. Done everyone?
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Yes, sir.
what is the
Yes.
command? What was the command 1 for rotation with help of mouse? Command 1. Quickly.
Hold the middle button and
Center
right
plus
click.
right.
Center plus side. Yeah. Center middle button and right button you have to hold both for rotate. For zoom in, zoom out, please mute. Sujita,
Right click once.
yeah, right click once for zoom in, zoom out. Hold the middle button. Yeah, and for pan,
Center.
just hold the middle button. Yeah, middle scroll button, move this like this one. Drag it. Done. Okay, so by mistake, see again noise. Please take care. Okay, please take care. Okay. Now suppose by mistake in pan you have kept your sketch over here. You want this sketch in middle, center of your screen. So can you see the yellow box? Fit all in. Click on it. Fit all in. Click on it. Automatically it will come in center of your screen. Suppose by mistake you have kept something like this. The orientation is something disturbed. Click on isometric view. Let's say orientation is also disturbed and the position is also disturbed. So fit all in, then click on isometric view. Done. Your axis system and this axis system are aligned. Can you see upside Z? Here you can see the Z axis. Left side X, left side X, right side Y, right side Y. Okay, everyone will face issue like this. By mistake, what you will do, you will click on this white line. Now the complete axis system and sketch is gray out. Now if you try to zoom in, zoom out like this, see, we are zooming the tree, not 3D. It can happen, okay? So again click on, just one click on the white line, this white line, click on it. Now you can work. Okay, isometric view, fit all in. Done. Any doubt? Simple. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's set some shortcuts. Okay. So I want to set up one shortcut for hide and show. I don't want like this. Right click on the sketch, hide. Right click on the axis system, hide. Right click on the point, hide. Not like this. Here you can unhide, okay? Right click on this, hide show again. Here is point. Right click on the sketch, show. I don't want like this. I want a button from the keyboard. So that select hide, select hide, select show, select show. Shortcut. So how to set up the shortcut? Right click again, go to customize, same, go to customize, go to commands. Everyone, go to commands, customize command. Done. On the left column,
Yes,
go
sir.
to all command, last one. Left column, last command, all commands. Click on this, all command. Now in right column, just click on the right column like this, anywhere in right column. Just press the H button, H from the keyboard. Now you are in command starting from H. Now find the hide and show, this one. Done, hide and show. Can you see? Everyone in all command, hide and show. Click on show properties.
Yes.
Click on show properties. Can you see the accelerator? In your case, it is something blank like this. Yes or no? It is blank. Select the head and show, click on show properties. In accelerator, it is blank. Just write SPACE. Space means space bar. Done? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Only one guy is saying yes. What about others?
Yes, sir. Done.
See,
Yes, sir.
if you are decided to enter in design field, please try. Okay, at least please try for 7 days. Then you can take your decision. Otherwise, you can continue your current job. Yeah. Accelerator, we have written over here space SPACE. Now close it. Done. Now select this sketch like this and press your space bar. What happening? Select the sketch space bar. And the result? Yes, any result? Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Working, sir.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
It's working. Good. Next. Now you can use.
Sir, okay, sir.
Yes. Good. Yes, Kamraj. So again, let's practice. Select the sketch, hide. Select the sketch, show. So your left hand will be on keyboard. You will control mouse by right hand. Okay. Now show the axis system. Click on this plus button. Here you can see in tree plus minus. This is minus, this is plus. You will see one axis system like this. In my case, it is axis system 3. In your case, it can be axis system 1. Okay. Now hide this rectangle. Okay. Now we have learned how to use mouse efficiently in CATIA professionally. in industry. We have inserted one point and access system. We have set up one shortcut spacebar. Okay. Later we will learn what is this geometrical set and what is part design. Okay. So anything what you will insert, let's say right now you inserted one access system, you will find over here only. Access system will be here. My catia not working stock. So how can I fix? We will solve this issue after this session. Okay. Now again coming back to position sketch. Activate the position sketch. Again we will select X Z plane. Okay, let's revise. So what is the plane name? How can you decide this is XZ, this is Y plane? Okay. Tell me, this is X-axis system. X-axis, yes or no? Can you see this X?
Yes, sir.
Now, here you can
Yes.
see one plane like this. Yeah. This plane is perpendicular to X. So that's why I will call this plane as a X plane. Or the second name will be ZY or YZ plane. Any doubt? Same for this one. Tell
No.
me. Now tell me for this one. Tell me for this one.
ZX or XZ.
ZX or XZ, awesome. Again, third name,
Y plane.
XZ or uh, ZX or Y.
Y plane.
Yeah. Same for this.
XY or YX plane. Z plane.
Yeah. XY or YX or Z plane. Any doubt? Simple.
No, sir.
So it will be same over here, also over here with respect to compass. Done. Now, position sketch, I will select X plane. X plane means this one, YZ or ZY, one and the same thing. Once you select any plane like YZ or ZY or X plane, you can see over here in orange V and H. What is the meaning of V? V means vertical. V means vertical. H means horizontal. Okay. V means vertical.
Okay.
H means horizontal. So for now, we will select only X plane. Select this one, press OK. Done. Now, can you see? I am able to select axis, yes or no? Here you can see I have selected
Yes.
axis.
Yes.
I can see axis system, which is in background. It is not in our sketching. It is in the background. So can you see this tool? Everyone, can you see this tool in your toolbox on the bottom? Click on the black arrow and pull it out like this. Okay, now this is vertical. Suppose this tool is vertical. How to make it horizontal? Just hold this tool and hold the shift button and release the mouse button. It will be horizontal. Now this is vertical. Hold this tool like this. Hold your mouse on this one. Hold the shift button and release your mouse button. Got it? It will be horizontal. Same for this. Hold the mouse button, hold the shift button and release the mouse button. Then everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now here you can see the axis system which is in background. It is not a part of our sketching right now. We have selected one plane for sketching, but can you see? This is a sketching workbench. I can select any axis, any plane like this. Okay. Now see what I have done. I have hold the middle button and right click. That's why I'm able to rotate. But this is my sketching plane. I'm in sketching. I will click on normal view. Click on more normal view. Normal. You will get a perpendicular view. Again try. Rotate the plane a little bit. Click on normal now. Okay. Now here you can see I can select the axis system, but I don't want to select. Okay. Suppose there is some background 3D which is disturbing me in sketching. I don't want to see the background. So here you have three options. Right now, first option is activated by default, which is usual. In usual mode, you can select the background element easily. Z-axis, Y-axis, YZ plane like this. If you activate the second option, low light, you will able to see the background, but you can't select. Can you see this? Select this one. I'm not able to select. See? Everyone getting? Click on normal view now. Again. Yes, no, quickly.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, awesome. The third option, no 3D background. Click on it. You will not able to see any 3D. No 3D will be visible in sketching. Again, activate the usual. A low light. You can see the 3D, but you can't select. You can't select this one. In activity usual, you can select now. If you want reference from the 3D background 3D, you can work in usual. If you don't want any reference, but you want to just check whether your sketch is good for the background 3D or not, you will use usual. The low light. Second option. Tarun, in doubt? Tarun? Yes, Kamaraj, in doubt? See, please take care.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Ramanathan. Yes.
For this, we can hide the maxi system, no? Better.
You can hide, but for sketching you are using the axis system, yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So see, if we work on some advanced design, na, then you will get idea. Okay, we need some reference from the background. Okay, every time you will not hide each and every element. So this is the shortcut. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now let's start with, you got the normal view, yes or no? Rotate the sketch like this. Click on normal view. You will get a normal view like this.
Sir,
Yes, Sunita.
sir, we can also hide the specification tree can also be hide.
Sorry, we can hide the
Specification tree also.
this tree, left side tree.
Yes, sir.
You can
We
hide.
can hide or
Yes, from view you can hide. See specifications F3 view. Again, click on
oh,
this. Okay, but we will
and
never
sir,
hide.
this is
Yes,
axis.
yes.
Okay. And sir, this geometrical set this axis.
You can hide. Select, hide. Select, hide.
Okay.
We have set up this shortcut spacebar. Click on this spacebar. Click on this spacebar. Okay.
Okay.
See,
Thank you,
Sunita,
sir.
every time it is not possible to hide each and everything. Okay. So, see, we want that element in 3D, but we don't want that element should be visible in sketching. That's why we are changing the mode. This is the mode only. We are not hiding. Okay. We are changing the modes. Okay, everyone. So,
Yeah.
here, yeah. So here you
Yes,
can
sir.
see, uh, yes, Kali Liti. Yes. Okay. Done. Okay. So everyone, just a suggestion, if you want to accept, you can accept, you can modify, otherwise just keep it. Yeah. So as a professional, we are professional. You're going to attend webinars, some live sessions, or interview meetings. Okay, interviews, career interviews. So your name should be your, like, let's say the Google Connect meetings. Your name should be clear. Okay. Not like that. Okay. Gamer at the rate
Okay.
167. Everyone. I have seen your username or the joining name something like this. Gaming at the rate 2024. No. Please change. Yeah. Okay. Here you can see the profile. Now we are in sketching. Yes. V and H means horizontal and vertical. Coming to profile. Can you see this tool? Now it is vertical or horizontal on your window. Make it horizontal. Make it horizontal. Okay. So we will keep our tool over here. Yeah. And let me explain you which tools we are going to cover first. Can you click on this black arrow? Here you can see black arrow. Click on it, pull it out. On circle, black arrow, pull it out. On spline, black arrow, pull it out. On ellipse, again pull it out. On line, pull it out. On points, pull it out. There are number of tools. Okay. Point, trim, pull it out. Mirror, pull it out. Okay. So let's reset again for 1 second. Customize, toolbar, restore all content. Okay. Restore position. Okay. Close, close, close. We will not close this one. Pull it out like this. Make this horizontal. Hold the shift button. Done. Okay. So which tools we are going to use in our design on industrial level? Okay. We are going to use profile, rectangle, circle, spline. No need of ellipse for now. We'll use line. We'll use point sometime. Okay. We are going to use fillet, chamfer, trim, mirror, and project. Okay. But in subcategory, there are some commands which we are not going to learn because we have only 7 days. Yeah. Anyhow, even though in professional training, we are not going to learn that one because in upcoming 20 years also, you are not going to use that tools. Okay. Because we have some different techniques. Within limited commands, we can design anything, even though you can design Bugatti. Okay. So starting from profile, first command profile, activate the command. Once you activate the command, you will get this toolbar. Okay. For now, we don't want this toolbar. Okay. Just keep it as it is. Activate the profile command. First click, second click, third click, fourth click, fifth, sixth, seventh. If you want to close the command, just press escape button from the keyboard. Close. Stop the command. Everyone trying? Yes or no? We have 55 candidates. Please try.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please try. See, we had time, okay? We are not here just to watch. We are getting time, so please do practice. Activity command 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you want to stop the command, just press escape like this. With help of middle click, I can pan over here, zoom out, pan, zoom out. With help of profile, activity command, I can draw a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you close the profile, automatically command will stop. Otherwise, you have to press escape button. Okay, sir, have you drawn this perfect rectangle? See, pan now again. Profile, activity profile. 1, 2. Can you see the blue line? If it is perfectly vertical, you will get a blue line. Click. If it is perfectly vertical, you will again get a blue line. Click. Again vertical. So once you come over here, align with this end point, you will get dotted line for the reference. We call it as snaps. Your pointer will snap on the end point of the first one, this one like this. So click on it. It will take the reference of this point and the first point. That's it. Simple. Done with the rectangle command. Yes.
Yes.
The profile command. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
again, we have some advance in profile. Again, activate the same tool. First click, but before second click, what you have to do? Just hold the second click. Hold it and drag your mouse on right side. You will get a semicircle like this. Again vertical. Again close. Again profile command. Draw horizontal line. First click is done. On the second click, hold your mouse. Don't release your second click. Okay. Drag your mouse upward. Again for the third click, hold the third click and drag your mouse. Can you see? In one shot you can draw this sketch. This is the benefit of profile command. Here you can see the tangency. Can you see the green symbol? This one.
Yes.
Yes. So we call it as constraint. This is tangency between this arc and this arc. Done with profile. Any doubt? Shall we proceed? It is very simple, like paint in Windows. Just
Yes,
you
sir.
have to draw. You have to draw some geometrical shapes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just zoom
Sir,
out
how
little
to
bit.
change the command from line to arc, sir?
Okay, Harsha, see. Profile. Activate the profile command. Yes, Harsha.
Yes, sir.
First click, go up. Don't click second time, okay? Done with the first click, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now hold the second click, okay? Hold the second click and move your mouse like this on right side. Done, Harsha?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Again hold the third click and move your mouse. Again hold the fourth click, move your mouse like this.
Okay, sir. It's clear, sir.
Done? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a profile command, okay? Now I think this you can explore. Click on the black arrow in rectangle. Pull it out like this. Now this is a simple rectangle. The first one is simple rectangle. Click on it. First click, second click. Click on it. First click, second click. Click on it. First click, second click. End out. Simple. Done. Please respond so that we
Yes,
can
sir.
proceed and we can
Yes, sir.
cover maximum tools.
Sir.
Dheeraj done. Gokul done. Others.
Yes, sir.
Wajid done.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Susha.
Done, sir.
So Shashwat. Okay. Nitin. Thank you. Second, oriented rectangle. First, second, third. You can draw inclined rectangle. Angle with a rectangle with angle. Again, activity tool 1, 2, 3. See, activity tool 1, 2, 3. Activity tool 1, 2, 3. Done with the oriented rectangle.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Awesome. Third, parallel. 1, 2. You can set over here like this. Again, activity tool 1, 2, like this. Activity tool 1, 2, like this. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Only one guy saying yes. See, at least 5 to 6
Yes, sir. Yeah.
S should be there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, elongated hole. Activity tool. First click, second click, third click. Again, activity tool. First click, second click, third click. If your line is perfectly vertical, you will get this V. Are you getting this V? Alphabet V, alphabet H
Yes, sir. Yes,
for
sir.
horizontal and vertical. Okay. See, if you are not getting this V and H, I think these commands are off. So it should be activated, means it should be in orange. 1, 2, 3. 3 commands and this 2 commands. This 5 commands should be activated every time, 24/7. Then only you will get this dimension, this tangency, this V and H. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done with this elongated hole. Again repeating 1, 2, 3. Inclined. Okay. Cylindrical elongated hole. Here you can see these are vertical, horizontal, in angle. This will be circular. Same command. Activate the tool 1, 2, 3, and 4. Activate the tool 1, 2, 3, and 4. Done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dheeraj done, Shashwat done, Wajid done, Gangadhar done. Others?
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
awesome.
sir.
Awesome. So how to exit from sketching? How to exit?
Exit workbench, sir.
Exit, top right. Exit workbench. Click on it. And suppose I want this in the center of my screen. Yes,
Fit in.
this one. No pan. I will use this one. Fit all in. Click on it. Fit all in. Now I
Okay.
want a perfect isometric view. For perfect isometric view,
Isometric view.
isometric view, this one. Done? Any doubt? Simple?
Yeah, no, sir.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then this is your sketch 2. Select the sketch 2. Hide spacebar. Done? Again, which sketch we will use? Simple sketch or position sketch?
Position.
Position.
Position sketch. Okay. So note it down. This is your interview question. Which sketch you use and why? You will get answer of why tomorrow. Okay. Maybe day after tomorrow. So for now, position sketch. Again same plane. X plane. Click OK. Suppose I don't want to select this axis system, then here you can see, sorry, here is the option 3 modes. Yes, make it horizontal. Suppose if I don't want to select this axis system but it should be visible in sketching, I will use low light mode, this one. Now here you can see I'm not able to select but it is visible for my reference. So low light mode. If this should not be visible, I will activate sketch only, no 3D background. Activate this one. Now I will work in low light. So we are done rectangle, oriented, parallel, elongated, circular elongated, and this is a key slot, keyhole. Activate. First click, second click, third click, and fourth click. Again, activate the tool. First click, second click, third click, fourth click. Activate the tool. First click, second click, third click, and fourth click. Any doubt?
Got it.
Simple. Erwin done? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next command, hexagon. Same hexagon. Activate the tool. One click. If you want vertical, make this line vertical. Okay. Here you can see the dotted line. Second click. That's it. Activate the tool. First click. Second click. First click. Second click. Simple. With help of this dotted line, here you can see dotted line, you can change the orientation. If I want vertical like this, what I will do? First click. And this will be the second click. Like this. Okay, here you can see it is taking some snap. See, activity tool. Can you see the blue dotted line? See the blue dotted line automatically. Here you can see the two lines. What is the meaning of these two lines? CATIA is taking reference of this line. So suppose I don't want any reference, what I will do? I will hold the shift button. Then I will draw the sketch. If I don't want any reference, just hold the shift button and draw the sketch like this without any reference. In doubt in hexagon? Shall we proceed?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Oh, okay. Centered rectangle.
Sir,
Activity tool.
uh,
Yes, Wajid.
yeah, in case of change the value of fillet,
Which fillet?
this, mm,
Where is the fillet? This one?
yeah, sir.
You can just double click on this dimension, double click on it, change the value instead of 30 to make it 35. Enter. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, in case of
Yes.
changing the value, the totally whole design can be changed, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now this centered rectangle. This according to me means I have used this command so many times. Daily I use this command. Okay. Centered rectangle. We have so many benefit. Depends on your use, how you are using this tool. Okay. Instead of this simple rectangle, I generally use centered rectangle. Why? See, middle, click, then you can set the size symmetrically. Both sides are symmetrical. Okay. Again, activity tool, one click, second click. With respect to this center, you can define the dimension or the size or the shape. Done. This is centered rectangle. Same parallel. One. Okay, don't do this one. Okay. For now, just skip this command. It will take some time, but there is no use of this command. Okay. Standard parallel. So here you can see we have completed this tool. Let me know, do you have any doubts in this command? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No,
Simple,
sir.
clear? Okay. So the commands what we have done, we will keep over here. So left side command are done, right side commands are not done. So this is done, we'll keep over here for now. Same on your side, you can maintain this. Okay. The commands what we have done, just keep it in left side. Okay. Now again, exit workbench. Done. Scroll down to see the history, check the history. Okay, in your case, I think the sketcher, the history will be something like this, very small. Again, how to enlarge the tree? Hold the control button, scroll up, mouse scroll up. You can increase the size of tree. Now sketch 3 is done. How to hide? How to hide sketch 3? I want to
Select
hide
and
it.
space bar. Space bar.
Select spacebar. Done. Again position sketch. Again same plane. Press OK. We had done profile. We had done rectangle. Okay. We have now coming to circle. Circle. Again same like this rectangle. We have some options in circle. Okay. So again like rectangle, we don't want this one. We don't want this one. Okay. That's it. See, you can explore by yourself because you are engineers, and this is a completely basic tool. Even the 12th standard guy can do this work. Okay. Circle. Okay. Suppose I don't want to select the access system. In which mode should I work? But it should be visible. Okay. It should be visible in sketch. Yes,
Low light.
low light. Awesome. Low light. This is option low light. Awesome. Now the first command, circle. Click, done. Activity tool, click, second click. Activity tool, click, second click. In doubt, simple circle command. Center, second click. Center, second click. Center, second click. Done.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the second command. Here you can see 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So what is the meaning of 3 points? 1, 2, 3 means catia will draw a circle passing through all 3 points like this. So for the inputs, we have to give 3 points. Okay. So how we can draw this circle? Click on it, 3-point circle. First click, second click, and third click. Activity tool, first click, second click, and third click. Okay, tell me. Let's use one profile. This is a profile tool. Let's draw one triangle like this with help of profile tool. I want to draw a circle passing through these 3 corners. Shashwat, there is some background noise from your side. Shashwat, thank you. So this is a triangle. I want a circle passing through this 3 corner. 1, 2, 3 like this. A circle something like this. Can I draw with help of this command? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. You can draw.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
simple.
Yes.
See, these commands are very useful and very simple. Activity tool, select first corner, select second corner, select third corner. Without pressing any keyboard button, just draw a circle. First draw a triangle. Okay, first draw a triangle like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then use this command. 3-point circle. First point, second point, third point. No sequence needed. Any random point you can select. Okay. Here, can you see this center? Can you see the center? 1, 2, 3. Is it visible on your side? 1, center of this circle, center of this circle, and center of this
Yes,
circle.
sir.
If I want a circle passing through all 3 points, can I draw?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Again with same command. 1, 2, 3. Simple. Okay, done with 3-point arc. We will skip this one for now using coordinate. No need. Okay, like this one, like the same command, the circle we have drawn from the corner. Suppose I want a circle tangent to this line. 1, 2, 3. So we have this command. Try tangent circle. Activate this one. First element, second element, third element. I want a circle tangent to these 3 sides. Activate the command. First element, second element, third element. Simple. Done.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, 46
Yes.
members.
Sir.
Quickly.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Congrats, done. Good. Again, try 3-point arc means like this, like same like this. We have used 3-point circle. In 3-point circle, we are getting a complete circle. But in 3-point arc, we will get a arc like this. 1, 2, 3. If you select all 3 points, you will get one arc like this. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. No area will be covered. Got it? You can see the icon. Let's try. Profile. Let's draw one triangle like this. Now 3-point arc. 1, 2, 3. Done. Same like 3-point circle, yes or no? Just this is not a circle, this is an arc. Again, suppose this is a square or rectangle. Again, 3-point arc. I want 1, 2, and this point or this point. Any point you can select. Simple. Okay, same like 3-point arc, we have this one 3-point arc starting with limit. Limit mean what? Here you can see you have in 3-point arc you have selected first point, second point, third point. But in this command, 3 points arc starting with limit, you have to select first. Your starting point will be the first point. This will be your end point, and the third click will define your third point. See, let me show you a profile 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want one arc passing through these 3 corners like this, okay, so your selection will be, this will be your first selection, this will be your second selection, and this will be your third selection. The third selection will define the proper orientation of the circle. See, activity tool, first, second, can you see? Yes or no? See this one.
Yes.
Third.
Yes, sir.
So third point will define the diameter or the radius of the circle. But in this last third means 3-point arc, first, second, your last point is defining something like this. Okay. Here you can define the midpoint of the arc, this one, like this. Over here means this point you can define. Okay, the last command in the arc is center point arc, third point like this. Arc, center, start, end. Center, start, end. Activity tool, center, start, end. End out. End out. Done.
No, sir. Done.
Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
So tell me how much time we will need to cover the sketching workbench. I think within 1 day or 2 days we can finish. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So why others are taking at least 1 week or 2 weeks to complete the sketching workbench? 2 hours is sufficient, okay? 2 hours is sufficient. We are not from 12th standard or 10th standard. We are engineers. So I think for us 2 hours is sufficient. So we had done predefined profiles, we had done circle, okay? So 1, 2, 3, done. Then spline. Pull it out. What is spline? Again, this command is very useful. Spline. So you will find spline command in sketching also, in 3D also. In surfacing, you will find this command spline, means in GSD. But that spline will be in 3D. Okay, you can select any 3D points. This spline is in 2D, means you can draw this spline only on one plane, not in 3D. Activate the first spline command. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Escape to close the command. You can move these points. Hold the points, drag it. Drag. You can drag this point like this. Simple end out. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Against line.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Escape. Done with line. Skip this command for now. Okay. No use. No use. Ellipse. Skip this for now. We don't want ellipse. A line. Activity tool. First click, second click. If you are getting blue line, means it is perfectly horizontal. Activity line, first click, second click, perfectly horizontal, blue line. Activity line, first click, vertical, perfectly blue line. Click on it. V means vertical, H means horizontal. Any doubt?
No.
Just drag. Click on this black arrow on line and pull it down. Pull it down. Okay. If suppose we have one circle over here, if we have second circle over here, if you want a line tangent to this two circle, you will use third command. Skip this second command. Okay, no use. The third command is little bit important. Try tangent, by tangent line. Activate this one. Select the first circle, select the second circle. That's it. Again, select the first circle, select the second circle. Depending on your pointer, it will draw a line. Again, select a circle. Let's try something like this. Okay, over here, over here. Got it? Depending on your selection, it will draw a line tangent to both circle. Activate the tool from here till here. Clear? In doubt?
Sir, sir,
Yes, Arindam.
sir, I have a question
Yes.
that as you are doing the tangent snap that is in green color
Yeah.
or coincident, whatever,
Yes.
and sir, I want to increase the size of that constant display. Sir, can we have anything to do that?
For now, no. I think we don't have that option.
Okay.
Yeah, means you want
Okay.
this display should be in
Yes, quite larger.
larger. Yeah, so we don't have that option. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Done.
Sir, if you don't mind, could you
Yes.
repeat it again?
This command?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. Draw two circle like this. Okay. One is a bigger one. Second is a smaller one. Little bit. Done. Kakileti. Done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Activate the third command by tangent line. Okay. Now suppose if I want a line tangent like this, I will click on this circle on this point anywhere close to this point. Okay, you can click over here also, no issue. And I will click on here. I will click on this position so that I will get this green line. See. Activate the tool. First click, second click. Again activate the tool. Now I want a tangent line over here. First click, second click. Now I want a tangent line something like this. So my click will be over here something and over here. So this is the use of by tangent. By tangent, this and this. By tangent, this and this. Done? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. So just put this over here. Okay. Then we will note it down. Okay. What we have covered and what we have not covered. Okay. We will take a screenshot. No issue. Skip this axis. See, every time in most of cases, means let's say 99.99 cases, we will skip the infinite elements. Tell me, axis is infinite or not? Is it infinite? Axis?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will generally use this for construction, but instead of this, we will use a simple line. Okay. Because see, CATIA is a coding. Yes. For infinite element, it would be difficult for CATIA to code. So we will instead of infinite axis like this, we will use a simple line. That's it. So that the speed will be good. Your working speed and the CATIA speed will be good. Otherwise, your CATIA will take little bit more time in processing. So we'll try to avoid infinite element. Done with the this point. Point is simple point. One point like this. Okay. Again point. Simple point. We will use this point later. Okay. So done with this one. In doubt, how to exit again?
Right side up, exit
Top,
plane.
right top, exit workbench. How to hide again? Select the sketch, spacebar. In doubt, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, again position sketch this plane. Okay, so see what we have covered today. We have covered rectangle, all patterns like this, elongated hole, circular, circular, cylindrical, elongated, keyhole, hexagon, centered, rectangle, circle types, spline, and the line. Done any issue? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's cover two commands again. This one, fillet and chamfer. I think most of you already know what is fillet and what is chamfer. So suppose this is corner. This is a corner and this is a second corner. If I want to make this smooth, I will apply fillet like this. Sorry, like this. This is fillet. If I want to remove this corner, I will add chamfer. So in this case, it will be smooth. In this case, you will get two extra corner. So your result will be something like this. 1, 2, 3. This will be your result. In this case, this will be your result. Got it? Got it? What is fillet and chamfer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fillet, chamfer. Simple. See, within 1 hour, I think you have learned the sketching workbench. Okay. See, let's draw a rectangle like this. Now this area I want to make this smooth. I will use fillet, means corner. Okay. This is corner in sketching. The same command you will find in 3D part design. We call it as fillet. In Sketcher, we will call it as corner. In 3D, we will call it as fillet. So corner means first element, second element, like this. Can you see? Smooth. In chamfer, first element, second element. Done. Again, let's apply fillet over here. Fillet, first element, second element. Click over here. Chamfer, first element, second element. Click over here. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this way we have completed this much tools also with fillet and chamfer. So tomorrow we are going to take trim. These are little bit advanced in sketching. So I think, yeah, so it will take some time. So tomorrow I think we will spend our time on these tools. We will discuss deeply how to use this tool and what are the tricks. Okay. Okay, any doubt? Again, we will cover constraint. Who was asking for the constraint? So you have not applied the constraint. There was one guy.
I think Wajid.
Sheikh. Yes.
Yes.
So we will use this command, okay, tomorrow. So
Yeah,
like
okay, sir.
this, tomorrow we will finish sketching. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Now let's come to your doubts.
No,
What
sir.
in the previous class means yesterday? What did you say, sir?
Okay. Yesterday's session, please mute, please mute. Yeah, thank you. So in yesterday's session, what we have done, we have discussed regarding the career. Yeah, the basic need, how to start your career in design. Okay. We discussed regarding the salary package. Yeah, what will be the good practice in industry. Yeah, what will be the training structure, which point we are going to cover in professional training, and the fee structure. Okay. Also we discuss the fee structure with 100% refund. Okay. 100% refund without any cross question on same day. Sorry, Arindam, no contact number. You can contact admin team from which you are receiving the messages on WhatsApp group. The admin of the WhatsApp group, you can just drop the message. They will contact me if you want to contact with me. Yeah. Okay,
Sir,
everyone. Yes, Sunita.
sir, sir, my question is, सर कटिया के साथ साथ जीडीएनटी भी मतलब सिलेबस में रखना पड़ेगा, हमें पढ़ना पड़ेगा क्या कटिया के साथ साथ जीडीएनटी भी, ये पूछना था.
Yes, yes, yes. See, what is GDNT? It's related to your manufacturing. Yes, GDNT. Why we need
Okay.
GDNT? We are considering tolerances in GDNT.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Also, we have tolerance stack up. Have you heard what is tolerance stack up? The total combination of all tolerance we called it as tolerance stack up. Yes, these are technical terms. Just now in advanced batch we have completed this topic. Okay.
Okay.
So we will cover this topic, but
Okay,
not in
thank you, sir.
7 days. But not in 7 days. Okay, it is
Yeah,
not
I
possible.
understood.
Yeah. Again,
Yeah.
also for the as you ask, what is means regarding the tolerance, we have 3 to 1 principle for the jigs and
Yeah,
fixtures, how to log
yeah,
degree of
yeah.
freedom, everything. So we
So
will
सर
cover
ये
this
थ्री
topic.
टू वन
Yes.
प्रिंसिपल इसी पे बेस्ड है क्या, जो ये डेटम प्लेन्स है हमारे कटिया में?
Okay. It depends on the access system what we are inserted initially on the point. Remember, on the same access system we have
Okay.
drawn these sketches. So let's consider a object or a part, physical part is. Let me share my screen. Just I will give the overview in 1 minute. Okay, not in detail. Exit workbench. Can you see my
Okay,
screen
thank
now?
you.
Yes. Can you see my screen? Is it visible? Please
Yes, sir.
confirm. Yeah. Okay. So here you can see. Suppose this is an object which is rested on which plane? Who can tell me which plane?
XY plane.
XY plane. So we use the terminology XY plane and a word resting. So these words we are using for fixtures. So tell me, okay, simple logic. Tell me how many points we need to rest any object.
6.
6. Okay. Other guys? Okay, tell me. Okay, simple question.
What's repeat?
Simple question. Oh, yes, I'm repeating. Simple question. We have 3 pads. Okay. Pad means resting pad, something like this. Rubber pads. Again, let's say, as Sunita mentioned, 6. So I'm drawing 6 pad. Okay. And the height of this pad. Okay, please focus. Okay, very simple example to understand. Okay. This is our technique to teach you. The height of the pad is, let's say, 10 mm. Now, as you mentioned, this box is resting on which plane? Please repeat. On which plane?
XY plane.
XY plane. Sunita, are you getting? Everyone? Okay. Now I want to lift this box by 10 mm. Are you getting? I want to lift this box by 10 mm. So how many pads I will need? Minimum. Okay. Think logically. Okay. Like puzzle. Think logically how many pads I will add below the box to raise 10 mm. To lift 10 mm. Quickly. Quickly. No answer?
1.
Quickly.
1, sir.
1 pad. Where you will keep 1 pad? Below the box? Any particular position?
Below the
Yes.
box, sir.
Below the box, yes. But your box should be perfectly vertical. Otherwise, your box will be something like this, yes or no? Inclined. Yes, this should
Yes, sir.
it should not be
Minimum
inclined like
three
this.
pads.
It should not be like this. Are you getting my point?
Mini-
Yes, sir.
Minimum
Yes, sir.
3 pads.
So nine. Nine.
9. Where you will keep 9 pads?
Sir, um, all the sides means total 3 on this towards the X,
Okay,
towards the
toward
Y, 1,
okay,
3,
okay,
and also on the middle, because otherwise it won't be center. It will, your surface will not be straight, sir.
okay, okay. Again, simple example. Do you have your smartphone with you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Hold your smartphone in your hand.
सर 5 हो जाते सर.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, just hold your mobile smartphone in your right hand. Okay, and with left hand, just make a cone like this. This is your third finger. This is your second finger, and this is your index finger. Yes or no? You can just adjust the height of your finger. Now, can you rest your mobile like this? Yes or no? Tell me. Everyone, tell me, can you rest your
Yes, sir.
mobile on 3 fingers?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Sunita, others. Who asked the question? I
Yes.
think Sunita
Yes,
asked.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you remove your one finger, any one finger? Is it resting properly?
No, sir.
So, how many minimum points or minimum pads we want to rest any part?
3.
So, we call it as 3 to 1 principle. We need 3 point. 3 number is clear. 3 number is clear.
Yes, sir.
Simple. Then after that we will discuss about 2 and 1. Okay, it will take some time. Yes, at least
Okay,
I will
sir.
need next 15 to 20 minutes to explain you what is 2 and what is 1. You got the 3 number, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, good. Any other doubts? Yes, no doubt. If you have no doubts, we can stop. You can. Okay, what you have to do?
Why we need the access system?
Why we need the access system? Okay, uh sorry, your good name?
Ramanathan.
Ramanathan. Okay, so suppose if I want one painting from your side. Barani, please mute. Sorry, Barani, please mute. I think there is so much noise from your side. Okay, so why we need access system? Suppose if I want a painting from your side, will you draw on a page? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Suppose this is your page and you have to draw 3 persons. Will you draw anywhere? This is person one like this. This is person one. This one like this. Will you draw a second person like this and third person like this? Yes, Ramanathan?
No, no, no.
No. You will need a page of paper like A3 or A4. You will make some partitions, some rough partition, okay, not a fixed partition, rough partition. Then you will draw sketch properly. This is the first person, this is the second person, this is the third person. Suppose if you want to club, what you will do, what I will do, okay, this is a middle person. I will draw second person close to this, like a group photo, yes or no? So as you are drawing these sketches on the plane or a paper, we want this plane. We are using axis system for the planes. We are using the planes of axis system like this to draw our sketches. And for reference, as you are taking reference from these lines, while drawing sketch, you will leave some margin, yes or no? You will keep some margin from the boundary like this. So likewise, we are taking some distance from the reference axis system. like VNH. Got it? Just to position and to
But
draw
we
some
have
sketches.
that XY
Planes.
planes, right? Why we are using specially the axis system? That's why
Okay.
that is my question.
Okay.
What
Good
difference
question.
between axis system and the XY? Why is it that
Oh,
planes?
okay. Okay, good question. So why we are not using this plane? We are getting this by default. Yes, had show
Yeah,
this
yes, yes.
planes. Yes. So let me hide this one. So as I mentioned, we are not going to use simple sketch. We are going to use only position sketch. Okay. So Ramanathan, you will get your answer on fourth day automatically. Okay. I will not explain. Automatically, you will
Okay,
give the answer to everyone.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Just
Okay,
hold and stay with me for at least 7 days. After
okay,
7 days, you can explore anything. Okay. Okay. Any other doubts? I think you
Sir, can
can.
I ask
Yes, Barani.
question? Other than software?
Other than KT software? Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Sir, I have a doubt in yesterday you explained me the plastic injection molding process.
Sorry.
Yesterday you explained us plastic injection molding process.
Yes. Plastic injection.
I have the doubt related to the plastic injection molding process.
Okay.
The the texturing process, how does it make on the tool metal tool, like leather finish on the plastics in IP or outer
The
side of
text,
the
the texture you are talking about.
yes,
Okay. Let me show you the texture.
on
Okay.
the metal
Yeah. Sorry. On the metal means what? Do you want texture on
mold,
metal?
mold. How did they
On
make
mold.
on the
Okay. On mold. Okay. See how to make. We will discuss later. But let me tell you about the texture. Okay. The
okay,
technical name we use in design for texture is graining. What is the name?
graining?
Grain.
Graining.
Okay. And what is the purpose? Okay, let me share my screen once again. Let me stop first, or I think I'm sharing. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Can you hear me? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, graining on plastic. Like this, yes or no? This one?
Yes, yes, sir.
So, we called it as graining. So, who can tell me what is the benefit or why OEMs are implementing the grains on the interior? What is the purpose?
Its aesthetic look was looks rich.
Okay, again.
Other than it provides a better grip for the people who are handling the plot. In
Okay.
my
Any other advantage? Any other advantage? Okay. Do you also know we apply, there is a standard for this graining. We receive this graining specifications from OEM. We can't use according to our availability or the technology what we have. Every time for the graining, we receive the inputs or the specification of graining, the size, the depth from the OEMs. Okay. We every time the draft should be of 7 degree. Sometime it can be 3 degree, it can be 7 degree. Maximum time in 90% cases we keep the draft of 7 degree for graining. The second thing, what is the benefit of graining? To reduce the reflection of light. Okay, suppose this is a smooth part, glossy part. Can you imagine?
yes, sir.
Will it disturb if suppose you are a driver? Will it disturb the reflection of light? the reflection of sunlight while traveling or while driving. So what is the purpose of grain? To reduce the reflection of light, the basic purpose. Got it, Bharani? Everyone?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah. So what is the
Sir.
specification? How we can consider this specification in drawings? We'll do this later. Okay.
Okay.
Each and every topic will take some time. Any other
Because,
doubt? Yes, Bharani.
this part is included in my job.
Okay.
I have faced some issues. That's why I asked you now.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. No issue. Okay, I think we can stop. You can collect your doubts. We are here for next 6 days again, so we can discuss so many points.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
Arindam.
will the lifter and everything will be covered in this?
We will explain you the basic definition. Okay.
Okay.
Again, you will get idea. Means you will able to decide whether you have to use lifter or slider. Okay. We will cover this topic.
Okay.
But
And
we will
sir,
not do. We will not cover the complete calculation. Okay. It is not
okay.
possible.
Sir, in that advanced class, as you
Hmm.
mentioned yesterday,
Huh.
is it there?
Means the calculation?
Advanced class, yes,
Yes,
advanced
yes,
class,
it
and
is.
also the
This
calculation
topic is
procedure.
already done. This topic is already done in advance. We already covered.
Acha,
Yeah.
because I was thinking of joining this course of 25,000 something or EMI, as can I
Okay.
remember yesterday's.
Okay.
So that's what I'm asking, sir.
Yeah, it's already done in advance. So we will cover
Acha.
in your batch separately. Okay, let me tell you there, if you join professional training, advanced training, okay, there will be only single link for the live session. So you can attend the advanced session, or the guys which are in advanced session can attend your session directly. There is no restriction, no access issue. Once you enroll, you will get all access. Even though if you are good in Katia, you can directly watch advanced session recordings. Depends on you.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to attend both session, you can attend your beginner session also and advanced session also continuously. No issue, no restriction, nothing. The platform is completely open. No extra
Sir,
charges, nothing.
I will contact on that your admin number, right, sir?
Okay, see, okay, one thing. If you want to contact, or if you have any doubts, or if you are interested in advanced course, just drop
Yes.
the message. Okay, hello, I'm Arindam. I want extra other information regarding the advanced batch, and I'm
Yes.
interested to join. That's it. Please mention your name.
Means,
Yeah.
okay, sir.
So that in WhatsApp
Means,
we can search easily.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Arindam. Any other doubts?
No, sir. Till now, not. If then I will ask you, sir.
Okay, good. So please collect your doubts. Yeah, we'll connect
Yes, sir.
tomorrow, and please join on time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We will try to cover as much as possible. We will give you means so many knowledge what is necessary for the interview and which is possible from our side. Okay. See you
Okay,
tomorrow.
sir.
Thank you. Bye. Good
Okay, sir.
night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night. Thank you.